Hi everyone, I'm Jay Paik. Today, I want to show you how Samsung is paving the way for a new era of hyperconnectivity using our innovative SmartThings and AI technology. We launched SmartThings Home with 6 services last year, and since then, we've continued to find new ways to enrich consumer experiences through device integration. Nearly 270 million people all around the world are currently using SmartThings to make household life easier and simpler. Our goal is to make their experience even better. So we created more than 20 preset routines, and all you have to do is turn them on. We'll keep adding more, and users can add and personalize their own as well. For example, when a homeowner goes out, their robot vacuum starts cleaning automatically, and indoor appliances get switched off. Another example is our Samsung cooktop, which can tell the hood fan to turn on without you even having to touch it. And my personal favorite, having the AC crank up all by itself on a hot day, just a few minutes before I get home. And we're constantly listening to what consumers tell us about how we can make life easier. Always looking for new ways to add useful preset automations by leveraging consumer insights, analyzing usage patterns, and building an ecosystem that includes approximately 3,000 compatible third-party devices from 17 partner companies. We're also planning to add an AI-based recommendation service that will provide personalized automations tailored to consumers based on their own smart home configurations and lifestyles. For all these solutions on Wi-Fi connected products, we've built in Knox security. That means at every step, from your basic network connection to data storage, software upgrades, and more, everything is secure. So users don't have to worry about their privacy. And the most important thing, it has to be easy. We want consumers to be able to enjoy these innovations without having to spend time figuring them out or making adjustments. So we made our home appliances smarter, more intuitive, and more adaptive. We built in Wi-Fi across the lineup and customized the solutions with advanced AI. This year, we've installed AI across 7 product categories: refrigerators, dishwashers, ovens, washing machines, dryers, stick vacuums, and air conditioners. A great example is our bespoke AI laundry. It doesn't just automatically add detergent, it knows precisely how much to add. The auto dispense feature uses AI to sense the load weight and soil level and dispenses the exact amount of detergent and softener. And that's the power of AI. No more guesswork. And the bespoke air dresser is the perfect companion to our AI laundry set. You can control it remotely using SmartThings. We're making life easier in the kitchen too. Our bespoke AI oven embodies everything we're trying to achieve with AI. Innovative conveniences for your everyday life. It has an internal camera connected to the SmartThings app so that you can keep tabs on what you're cooking in real time without frequently opening the door. It monitors how far along your food is and even alerts you if burning is detected. With the internal camera, you can also create a time-lapse video, as well as a short film for you to share with your friends on social media. The built-in AI also recognizes over 100 types of food, like frozen pizza, for example, and programs the optimal cooking settings for you. And we've extended this approach to our bespoke vacuum cleaners as well. Our Bespoke Jet AI Stick Vacuum, which is set for launch this month, is our most powerful and effective stick vacuum cleaner on the market. As the world's first UL-verified AI cordless stick vacuum cleaner, the Bespoke Jet AI has exceptionally strong suction power of up to 280 watts. It makes cleaning super easy. Plus, the all-in-one clean station empties the dustbin instantly and effectively after each clean with spinning cyclone technology. And this new Jet model can even distinguish cleaning environments. It senses the type of floor you're cleaning, and the AI automatically changes settings to optimize cleaning performance, usage time, and maneuverability. Now you can move from surface to surface without changing settings. The optimization even helps reduce your battery power usage by up to 14%. Next, our bespoke JetBot AI Plus robot vacuum now also comes with AI-powered 3D object recognition. It navigates even better and avoids household objects more effectively. So this is what we mean by taking the bespoke life experience to the next level, using advanced SmartThings services and intelligent AI solutions across the full range of bespoke home appliances, all designed to understand your routines and offer personalized experiences.